Here we are going to discuss question number 20, and we are going to use AI to help us to solve it. It's actually an expression that has to be simplified, so I have to tell AI what I'm looking at. I'll have to type it, so I'll have to try to read it out in words. Let's start 5. Okay, I can. Well, let me put the letters. Let me see if I can read the letters. Let me so I can tell it simplify. I put 5 open bracket 2x subtract y close bracket subtract 2 open bracket 3y subtract 5x close bracket equal. So let's see here I can understand what I've just typed for it. And take a look at it again. 5 open bracket 2x minus y minus 2 times 3y minus 5x in a bracket. Okay, let us see. So AI has actually simplified, and it says the answer is 2x minus 11y. Let's see if this is an option. And here it is, 2x minus 11y, so the answer is D. So let's check out AI's explanation. So the first step is to apply the distributive law, the distributive property. This means that we have to multiply all what's in the bracket by 5 and all what's in the bracket by -2. So it says distribute the coefficients 5 and -2 to the terms inside their respective parentheses. So that's the American way of calling a bracket, parentheses, and a coefficient now is a number that is multiplying. So 5 and -2 are coefficients. 2 is a coefficient, 3 is a coefficient, 5 is a coefficient, -5 is a coefficient, okay? So 5 is the coefficient of that bracket, 2 is the coefficient of x. Y has a coefficient. If you don't see a coefficient, there's a -1, there's a 1. -2 is a coefficient, 3 is a coefficient of y, and -5 is a coefficient of x. So we have to distribute 5 and -2 first. So here we go 5 times 2x, and we have a subtract 5 times y. And then we have a -2 times 3y, and a -2 times a -5, x. So 5 to the 10x, minus 5 by y is minus 5y, minus 2 by 3. Y will give us -6y, and a -2 times a -5 will give us a positive 10x. And then we've got a 10x plus 10x will give us 20. Okay, I suppose it's going to explain that in step number 2. Okay, group up like terms. So we have to rearrange the terms to group the x terms together and the y terms together. So we have the 10x plus the 10x and the -5y and the -6y. And 10x plus 10x. Step number 3, combine like terms. Perform the addition and the subtraction for the grouped terms. So 10x plus 10x is 20x and -5y, and another -5y will give us -11y. So we have 20x minus 11y. That's the final answer. So please practice this in your practice book. You can actually change the numbers around and try it out and put it in the AI to see if you get the correct answer. Okay, as a means of practicing for your CSEC, CTEC exam.